Imagine this, a robot learns a new skill in seconds. Meanwhile, you're staring at a textbook, wondering why it feels like time is moving backward. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you, you can learn just as fast as AI? Sounds impossible? Stick with me. We've all been there. You want to learn something new, coding, a language, or even how to juggle, but it feels like your brain is stuck in slow motion. You start, you stop, you procrastinate, and then you think, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But here's the truth, it's not you. It's your method. AI doesn't learn by cramming or memorizing. It learns by breaking things down into tiny, manageable pieces and practicing them over and over. And guess what? Your brain works the same way. You just need to unlock its potential. Here's how. 1. Focus on micro-learning. Start small. Instead of trying to master an entire subject, focus on one tiny piece. Want to learn a language? Don't aim to memorize 100 words in a day. Start with 5. Want to code? Write one simple line of code. Small wins build momentum. 2. Use spaced repetition. AI doesn't just learn once and forget. It reviews. And so should you. Spaced repetition is like hitting the save button on your brain. Review what you've learned at regular intervals and it'll stick. 3. Embrace feedback loops. AI learns by making mistakes and correcting them. You can do the same. Don't fear failure. Use it. Test yourself, get feedback, and improve. Every mistake is a step closer to mastery. 4. Optimize your environment. AI doesn't learn in chaos, and neither should you. Eliminate distractions. Create a space where you can focus. Even 10 minutes of deep focus can outperform an hour of distracted effort. Here's the crazy part. Your brain is already designed to learn like AI. Think about how you learned to walk or talk as a kid. You didn't read a manual, you practiced, failed, and tried again. You've done it before, you can do it again. So here's the deal. AI learns in seconds because it follows a system. And now you have that system too. Start small, review often, embrace mistakes, and focus deeply. The glowing stopwatch is ticking. Are you ready to hit start? If you're ready to learn faster than ever, drop a comment below with what you're going to start learning today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because your journey to learning like AI starts